Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Guinea Bissau? Let's explore. Construction jobs are a source of income for many people in Guinea Bissau. The average annual gross salary is about $3,600 or around $300 per month. After taxes, that amount becomes about $3,000 per year or $250 each month. Where you work makes a difference. In Bissau, wages are higher, while in smaller rural communities the pay tends to be much lower. Experience plays a role as well. New workers may earn around $2,400 a year, while more experienced workers can reach up to $5,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.